Hey there, iPhone users. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many of you might have faced: apps not downloading from the App Store on your iPhone. Don't worry, we've got your back. In this video, we'll walk you through some easy steps to get those apps downloading smoothly again. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is make sure to clear up storage on your iPhone and free up that precious space. We all know how frustrating it can be when your iPhone starts running out of space, so stick around as we walk you through some simple and effective methods to declutter and optimize your device. The second thing you want to do is make sure your cellular data settings are all set. Open your iPhone settings and tap on Cellular. Then, select Cellular Data Options. Here, ensure that data roaming is turned on and low data mode is turned off. Now, let's tweak some settings specifically for the App Store. Head back to your settings and scroll down to find App Store. Tap on it. In the App Download section, choose the Always Allow option. This ensures that app downloads aren't restricted. If the problem persists, it might be worth resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, then General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. Now, select Reset Network Settings. You'll need to enter your passcode, and then confirm the reset. Keep in mind that this will reset all network-related settings, so make sure you have your Wi-Fi passwords handy. If all else fails, let's try a force restart. This can help refresh your iPhone system. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. And there you have it. Remember, technology can sometimes be a bit finicky, but armed with these steps, you're better equipped to tackle these issues. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tech tips. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech insights.